Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a project from an Excel workbook. Suppose you have a list of tasks in Excel and get estimates of work duration from the team members. You can pull that information from Excel into a new project file. If you include headings in the worksheet columns, it's easy to map them to the project fields. So here is an Excel workbook with some information about the tasks. You can see that the first row has the headings. So we have got WBS codes as the first column, second as the task names, and the third as the estimated duration, and then the values. The headings in this first row are helpful for mapping the data in the Excel file to the project fields. Now that we have looked at the Excel workbook, we are going to close it so we can import it into the project. Now here I'll go to the project 2013. Now over that we have looked at the Excel workbook. Now let's move on with the project here. I'll click on here the new from Excel workbook, very important. So this will help me extract the data from the Excel file to the project 2013. Now here I'm not able to locate the Excel file that I've created in. Why is that? For that, you need to select in the drop down here the Excel workbook. Now can we see the Excel workbook here? Yes, I'm able to see the workbook. I'll see open. Now, here it has opened the import wizard. Since we are going to import here the Excel workbook, I can see the import wizard here. It steps you through how to import that data into the project. So click next to get started. We are going to use the new map, so leave that option selected. Click next. There are three options. Now we are going to create a new project, so the options as a new project is the perfect one. But if you wanted to append the data to your active project, you could select the second option. In that case, all the information from the Excel workbook gets appended to the bottom of your task list. You can even merge the data into the active project if you want, but we shall leave as a new project selected. The next thing is to tell the project what kind of information you are going to bring in. Whether you want to bring in the tasks, the resources, or the assignments. We are going to select the tasks here since we are going to import the tasks. I'll see next. Now, as you can see, that project can be pretty smart. It can recognize some of the fields. So if they are the same name like WBS and the name, they're already mapped. So here I have to select the source worksheet name. Now these were the row headings as you recognize. So you have to tell it which field you want to map it to. Now here, since the name is already mapped with the name, the WBS codes will be mapped here with the WBS. I need to locate WBS here. I'll go to the WBS here. I'll select WBS. And the estimated duration will be mapped with the duration. Now one thing to look at is that there is this preview down at the bottom. You can get an idea of how project is going to map that Excel information into the project fields. So if it looks like what you want, then just click finish. Now you can see the information has been imported The task names are here, the duration, but the task mode is not set to WBS. So let's set this to WBS here. I'll double click here, I'll see W, and here I'll select the WBS. Now here it is giving me the WBS codes as earlier. These codes are there as well, so now the values are in the file. You can just save it, as I've shown you in my earlier videos how you can save it. You can go to the save as and you can save the file in the location that you require. See, I want to save it in the exercises, in the template. I'll save. It's easy to use the data in the Excel to create a new project file. This is particularly helpful if you have a team members contributing who don't use the Microsoft project. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.